I can't hear what you're saying.
That means, Ernst, ibig sabihin nun, what was my point?
Hindi ko alam eh. Center of the universe, something like that.
That means it'll be hard for anyone else to top you. It's gonna take a while.
Whatever.
See, alam mo yun, see, now you admit to the universe, you know? It's
Whatever,
So bakit hindi
babe.
nag-workout?
Hindi, tumingin sa amin.
Edric, yung jukebox. Jukebox.
Were you filming this?
I'm not. I'm gonna take a picture of you, but I don't want to take a picture of you anymore.
What do you have to say? What do you have to say about that?
For what?
What I said, damn it. That you're center of our universe.
alam mo ba yung kanta na yan? Nung nag-break kami ni
Kinanta ko
baby.
sa kanya.
Nag-break kami ni baby yung kanta niya.
I don't mind that. Like, you know, I wasn't.
Sabi niya separate.
Really? But you're the center of the universe. How can you not be happy? See, yun ang mali sa inyo, sa mga lalaking mga kagaya nyo.
No?
Kayo na nga ang, kayo na ang...
man.
Okay,
Sen.
Ikaw
because
na
you
yung,
put someone
kayo na yung,
center of
exactly.
Exactly.
Kayo
No,
na
pero
nga.
mali din yun. Why
Hindi.
would you do
Why
that?
would you, why,
The thing is,
no,
you were
my
the
point
alpha
is,
omega.
every girl does that. Kapag may shota ka, syempre, you would do anything to, for...
Okay, understand that.
But,
Okay, sandali.
I don't
Ano?
understand
Sabihin
why
mo,
you
sabihin mo.
don't
Bakit?
appreciate
But
it.
what?
I
But what?
do, and I told her that.
But what? But
No,
what?
do you even talk to her like what we talked about?
Okay,
I
but
told her that.
what?
You-
But
No,
go
you
ask-
did. No, but when you told her that, it was forced. It was like she had to do something. She had to bring it up for you to tell her. You didn't do it,
Well,
No,
we're
no, no.
talking
you
about
didn't
this.
instigate it
Ne-
yourself.
Ito na lang, ito
We're
na lang.
talking about when we met up a couple weeks
No,
ago.
when you were together.
Ito na
Oh
lang.
yeah, I didn't realize it then.
Ito na lang, ito na lang.
But I'm talking about like when I met up with her and talked to her, like I told her that like I appreciate everything she did. But I told her like I'm sorry like I couldn't give you back the same
Amount.
amount that you
Aw,
gave me because
that's
I didn't feel that way.
Why? Kung ikaw na nga yung ginawa niyang why did you
Exactly.
feel that way?
Exactly.
Sorry.
That's my point.
May kanta dyan eh, yung...
I can't force myself.
I know, but
I know,
like,
but
isn't that sad na ikaw na nga yung,
exactly.
And then,
No, more
Gitna
like-
ng
more like
buong
na ano
mundo
eh.
niya.
See? Seriously with Mariah. Mariah was like sweating.
Yeah, I sweat easily.
Hindi, ang tanong doon talaga.
Spotlight.
Minahal mo ba talaga si Johnny?
Huh?
Ang tanong doon.
I did.
Exactly.
Nakuha niya
At
ba
Do you
one
still
yan?
love her?
Nakuha niya ba yan?
Do you still love her?
at one
Do you still love her though?
No, not in that way.
But
I love
you
her as a
still
person,
love
like
her.
I care about her a lot, like
So you love
That's why I still want to be her friend, but she doesn't want to. So
Eh kasi nga,
Because
ginawa
I know, I
you
understand
can't be
that, I
friends.
understand
You can't. She's...
I know, I understand that, and I'm
It's
not.
okay, Ernie. We're here. We're
Yeah.
here.
It's just...
Pero
There's a matter of
bakit,
time.
like, that's not fair kung, I mean, at
Okay,
least
you're gonna
reciprocate.
put yourself in my position. Are you gonna force yourself if you like
No.
somebody?
Yeah,
You
I
shouldn't
know.
You're gonna
Pero,
force them.
how long na ba kayo? How long does it take to actually love a person that much?
Good question.
Maybe a few weeks.
Taking a while, but
Maybe.
Ilang taon ba kayo? Almost 2 years?
Sa akin, second lang eh. Parang siya. Oh, it's
How
just
long
me.
ba kayo?
we went out for 2.5.
She's 2.5 years? Sa 2.5 years na yun, lagi kayong magkasama?
Edric,
did love
kailangan
my
ba?
food, like I
Dito
said.
ka
I
na
think
nga.
that
I
was
know.
the problem.
What?
Palagi kayong magkasama.
Bakit kami?
No, I don't know.
And then eventually, nagsawa na lang kayo.
So,
It wasn't-
so sinasabi mo rin na ganun nangyari ninyo kay Alan?
No.
Because you guys go over not every day,
Mariah,
but
five
every
years
week.
ago,
Ito, 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 ito.